how they call it, positioning. To position your image, just come to that place, or you can use your hand instead of positioning. But positioning helps to get the right. It helps you to get the right placement. So this is going to be like, let's take this one upward a little bit. Okay, yeah. Sorry. So now, if you look at our designer, it's getting more more realistic. It look like as if our image is standing. They are standing on their own, but they're not standing. So shadow helps to give your image, your design, that realistic view. So let's add some other elements. First of all, we're going to lock this all our element that is in our frame, our design frame. We're going to lock them so that they don't they will not disturb us. So please guys, follow what I'm doing, please. So we'll come to plus icon to import uh elements. We'll be using this one. Yes. So we'll be using this one. So we're going to change this one to white. No, we are going to change this one to uh a similar color close to uh let me say creamy brown. We're going to change this to a creamy brown. We're going to place this element at the back of our, our uh, sorry, our elements, our products, the products we are designing. So we're going to send it on at the back. It's going to be at the back of our elements. Sorry. So let's first of all change the color. So I'll come to color. We are going to change the color. So let's change the color. So let's change the color. You come to this plus icon. Then we'll customize the color. So come always pick the color you want to use to customize your color. So I'll be using this coffee. So this is the color we'll be using. Yes, so this is our color. So I'm reducing the size to fit in I'm going to send this element to the back of our coffee. So I will bring our coffee to the front. I'll bring the coffee to the front. Come to front. See now, the elements has now get to the back of our coffee. So I'm going to lock the coffee back. I'm going to lock it. Then also lock. No, no. I will now lock this image now. So I'm going to duplicate this element. There's no need to bring it from our gallery again. So I'll just duplicate it. Then come to this place. Then I'm going to flip it over. I want to take it to the other side. So I'll come to crop. Come to this crop. So I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Then I'll come to this place. Flip it over. So it's now at the right side. Before it's at the left hand side. So now it's now at the right hand side. Also, I'm going to change the color. This is not the color we'll be using for this orange. So let me customize the color. I'll come to color to customize the color. So come here to customize the color. I'll be using a lighter color. I think this color is okay. Okay, this color is okay. So we carry we'll take image to the front of this other element. Yes, it's now at the front. Then we'll adjust this. We're going to adjust this one. This is going to be like. You can adjust your own to any amount you want, but this is how I want my own to be like. You can adjust your own to any um any area you want. So which one are we doing this? Okay, let's duplicate this one again. So we'll be doing for this yellow. We're going to change the image. We're going to change the color. We'll be changing it to a lighter yellow. Okay, so this one is okay. So we'll be using this one. Well, let me make it a little bit light, so I can adjust this one from here. So this is okay now. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So you can adjust if you feel that the color is not light or dark enough, you can adjust it. You can adjust it again to the taste you want. So let's send this guy to the back of our after we have changed this, the color, I'm going to take it to the back. So we'll bring our image to the front. See now, it's now at the front of this other image. So we'll lock this image back. We're going to lock it. So we'll now adjust this. The elements at the back, we're going to adjust it very well. So we'll adjust it very well. So this is how it's going to be like. So it's perfect like this. We are going to adjust this, the shadow of this image, of this one. We're going to adjust the shadow very well. So we'll come to layer, then okay. So we'll just adjust. We'll first of all lock this one so that it will not disturb. Uh, image. We'll lock all of them actually. So let's adjust. Let me adjust this shadow very well. I'll come to position it very well. So it's perfect like this. So let's add some write-ups. Let's add some write-up. You come to this place to add a write-up. Come to this A. So you come to text. Then you add your text. So this one will be writing coffee. So this is the text we'll be using for this one, coffee. So let's change your coffee text. Let's change the text to white color. Yes, white. No, okay. So we're going to the color is not white actually. It's coffee brown, but because of the fonts we'll be using white. You know your fonts, the fonts in your pixellab is not the same with mine. So I'll be using, because of this tutorial, I'll be using a Montserrat. You have Montserrat. I'll be using Montserrat bold font. So let's enter.